Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
येतोय आवाज येतोय? आवाज येतोय क्लिअर?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we'll start today. Slide this side. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So we'll start today. We have already started doing the blending or the mixing of the different substances, right? So different problems will be occur if the material is not be appropriate, right? So these are the different factor will be affecting the mixing mechanism. So 100% mixing is not possible, right? See if the particle size, particle shape, and the crystallinity of the particle shape, particle size, and particle size distribution, if not appropriate, it may chances there is a demixing, it chances there is a segregation, it chances there is a 100% mixing is not possible, right? So where these are the different factors will be affecting to affect that is a mixing. So we have seen this, we see one by one. So this first is angle of repose. So what is angle of repose? Is the angle in between that is a horizontal frame and the sloping surface of the pile material, right? So this angle which is related with the flow property of the that material, means the material is a easily flow or not, right? It decided by angle of repose, right? So particular angle of repose should be have the 30 degrees centigrade, 30 degree, right? So can that flow of the material is appropriate or excellent flow of the material. So the 30 degree must be required, right? So this angle of repose is related with the flow of the material. If the flow of the material is not appropriate, right? So the mixing is also not appropriate. Then next is the friability. So the friability means the material should be easily flow into the mixture, right? So and is if not flow appropriate, so it is always possible there is a demixing, and if the one of the material is not have the flow, right? So that particular material is not be moved to the other material, and it cannot be mixed together, right? So the those have the highest probability, so we can easily can be flow with the bulk material, right? Just we can implement the gravity, right? So with the gravity, so that material should be flow, appropriate flow must be required, and this is a property of the friability. Then bulk and bulk density we have seen. So the density of the material is also very important, right? So the density we have seen, the density is equal to mass divided by volume, and the mass if the mass is correct, but the volume is different, right? So again create the problem of the mixing. So how the volume is different? Because the some of the air is entrapment into that powder, right? If the excessive air is entrapment, so the volume of that material is increased. If there is the air is very low, air is very low, or it is no air entrapment into that, so means the volume of the material is less, right? So volume is depending upon that is the how much entrapment of the air into that particle, right? And if you have varied the volume, can you vary the density? We have seen this formula, the mass divided volume, right? The volume is with the mass is correct, but the volume is differences, right? Will be affecting that mixing. Then particle size and particle size distribution. So particle size if not uniform, right? So if you have added the 2 to 3 ingredients into the one powder mixture, right? So if every powder you have the different particle size, right? So with a different particle size will be so the mixing is not possible. So the same particle size, uniform particle size, it should be required for the 100% mixing is possible. Understand it? So if the particle size is varied, it will affect that is the flow property of that material, right? समजा की काही पार्टिकल्स रोम्बिक आहे, काही पार्टिकल्स ट्रायंगल आहेत, काही पार्टिकल वेगवेगळ्या साईजचे पार्टिकल्स आहेत, राईट? काही पार्टिकल स्मॉल आहेत, काही पार्टिकल कोर्स आहेत, राईट? तर वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे पार्टिकल असेल तर विल बी अफेक्ट दॅट इज अ फ्लो, राईट? and flow affect झाला म्हणजे there is a mixing is not appropriate. Understand it? So particle size and particle distribution should be uniform size, right? Then the mixing is possible. Then the result of a dynamic blending, so if you have the particle size should be appropriate. The particle size and particle size distribution should be appropriate in the bulk material. Understand it? Then the particle size, if the vary the particle shape, right? The shape is different. Maybe some of the triangle, some of the rhombic type, some of the square type, right? So what will happen is the interparticular interaction is more, right? Interparticular interaction, interparticular friction is more. That's why it will affect the flow, it will affect the blending also. Understand it? If the shape is different, right? So again, a chance is affecting the flow, and if you're affecting the flow, you're affecting the mixing also. Then cohesiveness is one of this. Cohesiveness means the material is very cohesive in nature, and if the material is very how the cohesive in nature, if I add the some of the liquid in that, some of the solid घेतला त्याने त्यामध्ये liquid टाकला, right? This semi solid तयार होईल. Semi solid तयार झाल्यानंतर it will be added to the another surface. बरोबर. So this mass is added to the another surface. So that is called as the cohesiveness. So cohesiveness material, right, will be added to the some of the part, some of this material, right? So if you have the more addedness, it's difficult to mixing again, right? समजा मिक्सिंग करत असताना प्रत्येक ते पार्टला लागू शकतंय किंवा प्रत्येक कंटेनरला लागू शकतंय, प्रत्येक इन्स्ट्रुमेंटला लागू शकतंय, राईट? तसं मटेरियल कोहेसिव्ह असेल तर त्यामुळे मिक्सिंग इज नॉट बी अप्रोप्रिएट. Then adhesiveness, so some of the material is, the adhesiveness you can add it to the another surface, and after adhering is not difficult to remove it. समजा की तुम्ही मिक्सिंग करताय आणि एक कंटेनर मध्ये आणि समजा कंटेनर समजा चिटकून राहिलं तर इज मिक्सिंग बरोबर होणार नाही. तर जसं मटेरियल जर ऍडिसिव्ह असेल तर इज का डिफिकल्ट टू मिक्सिंग प्रॉपरली. ठीक है. Then agglomeration. So agglomeration is a process in which to agglomeration is the process, right? जरा नंतर करतो, जरा लेक्चर चालू आहे. Yes, sir. So agglomeration is the agglomeration means there is a coagulation of the sum of the particle. Small particle will be in the process to form a larger particle, right? How it is possible? The smaller particle which are coming together and to form a larger particle, right? So this process it is called as agglomeration. But this agglomeration, so due to this, if I add the some of the moisture, the powder material to me mix the liquid add केलं तर काय होईल? Will be create the some of the agglomeration. Small particle it can coming together and to form a larger particle, it is called as agglomeration. So agglomeration is possible due to the moisture. If you add the moisture, if you add the liquid, the agglomeration is possible. If having the static charges on that, the particular powder, so positive charges, negative charges, समजा सगळेच मटेरियल पावडर मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर काय होईल की एकत्र येणार आणि त्याचं अग्लोमरेशन तयार होणार. समजा सगळेच पार्टिकल निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस आहे तर एकत्र येणार, राईट? सो निगेटिव्ह टू दॅट इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन, राईट? So both in the mixture should have the positive charges and negative charges as well, right? समजा की पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस जास्त आहे किंवा निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस जास्त आहे त्याप्रमाणे अग्लोमरेशन तयार होईल. इट्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्टॅटिक चार्जेस. कुठल्या प्रकारचे चार्जेस आहेत त्याप्रमाणे अग्लोमरेशन तयार होईल. So then it is a chemical reaction, it is chemical bonding or the mechanical bonding. So in the powder mixture is a different bonding is there. Maybe van der Waals bonding is there. Chemical bonding means any chemical can bond to the another chemical is called as chemical bonding. So mechanical bonding means just we can attach to the one another, it is called as mechanical bonding, right? So due to this moisture, due to static charges, due to this chemical and mechanical binding, right? So agglomeration is possible. So this agglomeration is it's how not have any strength of that agglomeration. फक्त जे पार्टिकल स्मॉल पार्टिकल एकत्र येतात आणि त्याचं लार्जर पार्टिकल तयार होते. समजा की तुम्ही जस्ट प्रेशराइज केलं किंवा शेअर केलं त्याला किंवा प्रेशर केलं त्याला किंवा जस्ट टच केलं तर कॅन बी ब्रोकन डाऊन, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये कोएजिनेस नाही किंवा बाइंडिंग प्रॉपर्टी नाही. जस्ट पार्टिकल हे एकत्र येतात आणि अग्लोमरेशन तयार होते. समजा की तुम्ही same material you can transfer from the one place, one container to another container. With that transferring, is break down that the agglomeration because it do not have the strength. Understand it. Then due to this agglomeration, is also chances there is a mixing, demixing. Then friability. So friability is same as to that. So bulk material, the particles are easily crumble or pulverize. The crumble is right. So if the particles are, if you have transferred from the one container to another container, and with this transpiration, so some of the force is existing. So that is called as shearing force. With that shearing force, that is a larger particle will be break down and form a small particle that is called as crumble or pulverization. Understand it? So this friability, the friability is more means that so it can easily friable, easily can break down larger particle to the small particle. Understand it? So this is called as friability. If the friability is more, right? If the friability is more, what will happen? So larger particle size, the larger particle size can be converted into the smaller particle size in large amount. समजा काही particle larger असतील, काही particle small असेल, तर mixing is possible होणार नाही, right? So the friability should be appropriate, not be crumble. Then abrasiveness. So abrasiveness is depending is related with this hardness factor. Means the जे particle आहे किती harder आहे, right? So this is called as abrasiveness. Harder means the soft nahiye, harder hai. Understand it? Understand it, the abrasiveness. So is a more harder and not soft, right? So why it is? Because the shape of the particle is changed. समजा abrasive असेल, समजा की एक जे मिक्सचर आहे very soft है, the another is very harder, right? The harder material is cannot mix to the smaller softer material. Understand it? So due to this abrasive is not the same, right? So it'll be affected the mixing also. Then explosiveness is one of the condition. If I add one or two material at a time, right? So it chances of the explosive mixture, right? So the sum of the mixture is one mixture is maybe potassium dichlorate. Potassium dichlorate is a powder. If you are mixing with another substances, it will chances is the interaction in between, and it will be chances of the explosion. Right. And when you combine with the air, so this is maybe chances. So this type of the material is not be mixing properly and it create the problem. Then material composition, what type of the material it is, right? Depending on the material, it will be affecting the mixing also. Then surface property, we have seen surface property. If the smaller particle size is always we have the greater surface area. So this surface characteristics characterize is a surface area and the electrostatic charges. म्हणजे एक surfaceला surface area किती? Larger surface area का smaller surface area? Understand it. If the smaller particle size is having the more surface area, understand it. The larger particle size is having the low surface area, understand it. And some of the electrostatic charges on that surface will be create the problem. Positive charges, negative charges. The charges असेल त्या particular surface ला तर easily होणार नाही. So the surface property, surface characteristics also is having the problem. Then smaller particle size always we have larger surface area and its formation of weak polarizing electrophoretic forces, electrical forces in between. Understand it. With the smaller particle size is always we have the larger surface area. And due to this larger surface area, it's formed that weak polarizing electric forces. And that forces it is called as the van der Waals forces. Understand it. And due to that, if the sum of the particles is smaller size, sum of the larger particle size is create the problem, and that is not be affect the mixing. Then when electrostatic charges we can generate how you can generate electrostatic charges due to the friction in between two surfaces. Understand it. If the sum of the particles are positive charges, some of the particles are negative charges, due to the friction in between that charges, right, it create the electrical charges. Understand it? It creates the electric charges. And due to the electric charges, it is called as tri-electric charges are there. Then next is the moisture contained in the solid. The किती moisture content तुम्ही किती liquid तुम्ही solid मध्ये add केलाय, right? Depending upon this. So this type of the material is, some of the material is very hygroscopic in nature, can absorb the moisture from atmosphere. म्हणजे some काही particle काही substance असे आहेत की can 50% of the moisture is absorbed. काही 25% आहे, काही 10% आहे, काही 5% आहे, right? So this called as hygroscopic material. What is hygroscopic material? Can absorb the moisture from atmosphere, depending upon this property. समजा मॉइश्चर ऍब्झॉर्ब केलं तर इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू मिक्सिंग इट प्रॉपरली. समजा पावडर मटेरियल मध्ये मोर मॉइश्चर आहे, तर जास्त मॉइश्चर आहे, तर जास्त मॉइश्चर असेल तर ते जे पर्टिक्युलर मटेरियल आहे इट्स कॅनॉट बी मिक्स प्रॉपरली, राईट? देन डेन्सिटी, viscosity and surface tension. So if I add some of this blending material, the blending operation, it adds some of the liquid into the solid for specific purpose. If I add that some of the liquid, so we have to consider that what is the property of the liquid, right? So what are the property of the liquid? Because if I add the more liquid, it may chances is the some of this material is maybe hygroscopic in nature, some material is very coarse in nature. And if the very coarse nature which are added to the surface, right, and there is added to the surface, and after adding, so mixing is not be possible. Understand it? So the temperature limitation is one of the aspects. So unwanted, due to this mixing, it may chances is a unwanted rise in a temperature. समजा ब्लेंडिंग करत असताना किंवा मिक्सिंग करत असताना पार्टिकल इंट्रॅक्शन झाल्यामुळे इट कॅन इन्क्रीज टेम्परेचर, आणि टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज झाल्यामुळे सम ऑफ द मटेरियल हॅव लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. अंडरस्टँड इट? सो लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट मटेरियल असेल, तुम्ही ते मटेरियल मिक्स करत राहिला तर काय होईल, राईट? टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज केल्यामुळे, राईट, इट कॅन मेल्ट इट, आणि मेल्ट झाल्यामुळे इट फॉर्म द लिक्विड, राईट? पावडर मिक्सचर मध्ये लिक्विड झाल्यामुळे it's difficult to mixing again. So due to this increase the temperature, unwanted rise in temperature, it may chance there is a prolonged degradation, melting, or the even source of ignition. So ignition or maybe explosion is also possible. Ignition is also possible. Due to this increase the temperature during the blending process, right? Then, so this is the mixing of the semi-solid. So what is meant by mixing of semi-solid? So this is the next aspect. We have seen the solid mixing, right? So mixing of the semi-solid, we have take example of semi-solid doses form as ointment, paste, creams, jellies. These are all formulations are semi-solid. All right. So this mixing must be required for that. All right. So we have seen there is a different ointments and cream also in our first year also. In ointment, if I take example of sulfur ointment, we can in the sulfur ointment we can use the sulfur as a powder, and another you can use the base oleaginous base as a base, right? So this material, this sulfur powder, can highly homogenize or incorporate into that. The base must be essential. So uniform mixing must be essential. So every corner of that the base should be mixed at the powder material, sulfur powder, and to form a uniform mixing. Understand it? So the mixing should be include combination of that lower speed or the higher speed. So during the mixing, so depending upon the how much shear or how much incorporation or how much mixing is required, depending upon the dosage form. The ointment is there, it required the more shearing. Cream is required the less shearing. Understand it? So depending upon the how much time required for to prepare that formulation. So large amount of the mechanical energy required for moving the one particle to the another particle and to mix that particle uniformly, right? So the energy is required very high for semi-solid formulation, right? So the consumption of the energy is also very high, and the forces also is required very high during if you want to mixing that particular solid substances or the liquid substances into that the base, semi-solid base, right? So that's why the forces is required very high, or we require the highest consumption of power. Then sometimes there's some semi-solid is having that dilatant property. Understand it? So what is meant by dilatant property? If I increase the shear, right, so you can increase the viscosity. जसं जर तुम्ही शेअरिंग करत राहिला, म्हणजे तुम्ही मिक्सिंग करत राहिला, मिक्सिंग करत असताना त्याची विस्कॉसिटी वाढते, राईट? काही असे मटेरियल आहेत तुम्ही स्पीड सेमी-सॉइल तुम्ही ऑइंटमेंट बनवताय आणि मिक्स करताय, बरोबर? मिक्स केल्यानंतर काय होईल, इट कॅन इन्क्रीज विस्कॉसिटी. So that property it is called as a dilatant property. Understand it? So, but if you have a high shearing, if you are giving the high shearing, right, it may chances to increase the viscosity is very larger. right? And if you increase the viscosity very larger, if you have taken example of the ointment, and if the sharing is more or the mixing is more, right? So it will be increased viscosity. So increase viscosities, and after that particular product is very difficult to apply to your skin. Generally, ointment is applied to the skin. Understand it? So this ointment is very difficult to apply to the skin. Such viscosity may be possible, right? So appropriate optimum mixing, optimum sharing must be required for to increase the viscosities at appropriate optimum level. It should not be have less viscosity. It should not be have the high viscosity. The viscosity should be have the minimum or the optimum. Understand it? So this is called as the dilatant property may be chances. So we can use the lower speed, the lower mixing, right? And to avoid a problem of increase the viscosity with increase the sharing or the increase the mixing. The speed must be changed according to the property. The speed of the speed may be changed according to the properties. Some of the material is a thixotropic in nature. So what is meant by thixotropic? If you apply the sharing, so you can convert it from the one form to the another form. So you take example about that. So gel is a solid. Understand it. So gel is a solid or the semi-solid which are converted into the liquid. Understand it. So that property is called as a thixotropic, or the solution which are converted into the semi-solid in the gel, right? The liquid air you can convert it into the solid, right? Is called as the thixotropic property. Liquid air semi-solid oil, you are semi-solid to the liquid oil. So that form is changed due to that. So that property is called as the thixotropic property, right? So then the plastic property is one of this. So with this plastic, if the material have the plastic property, right? So it's required the high sharing property. So mixing just लागेल तुम्हाला plastic bottle is if you want to mix it, right? It's required the high sharing, and time is required for the sharing is also high for the plastic type of material. Understand it? So depending upon that material, we can use the appropriate speed of the rotation or mixing speed or the time. Then next is the semi-solid mixing. So these are the two aspects of that: sticky state and the liquid state. Right? So liquid state means this is only the liquid. So sticky state means we can add some of the liquid into that the solid. Right? If you add more liquid into the solid, so you make them mixture as the more sticky in nature. Understand it? So continually incapping of the liquid which are causes the mixture is sticky. Large amount of the liquid if you add the in the solid, right? These make them mixture is sticky in nature. Right? And it's become as a paste like. From the paste material, तुम्ही ते solid material मध्ये तुम्ही liquid टाकलं तर काय होईल? It's from the paste. Understand it? And this paste is which are added to solid surface. Understand it? It can is not be easily mixed. Can add it to the solid surface. Also, the flow is also very less. So it not be flow from the one place to another places easily. But if you add the more liquid, it can easily can be flow from one place to another places. That's काय liquid आहे. So liquid मध्ये दोन liquid आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये mix करायचं असेल तर the flow is very high liquid. Understand it? That's such that if I increase the more moisture, increase the if I add the more liquid into that the powder moisture, right, is make them paste like or liquid in nature. So flow is very high. So flow is very high and is a homogeneity, but it's question of homogeneity also. Then liquid state is that addition of the liquid result of decreased consistency of the fluid state, right? From the solid material to be if you take example of that liquid state, you can take the glycerin. Glycerin is viscous in nature. In that glycerin, you can add water, right? Water add केल्यामुळे काय होईल? Its viscosity glycerin ची कमी होईल. Understand it? Until to its fluid state. Understand it? So addition of liquid into that so can decrease the consistency or the viscosity of that particular substance. So in this state, the mixture is flow under the own weight. So if you have drain on the vertical surface, समजा की एक मटेरियल घेतलंय तुम्ही ग्लिसरीन मध्ये ऍड केलंय, तुम्ही लिक्विड ऍड केलंय आणि ते सरफेस ते जे मिक्सचर आहे यू कॅन जस्ट पुट अप ऑन द ग्लास लाईट ठेवल्यानंतर जे ग्लास लाईट तुम्ही वर्टिकली तुम्ही प्लेस करा पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस का लेना काय होईल जे तुम्ही ड्रॉप टाकलाय it can easily come down vertically, can easily flow from the on the glass means we can determine that how much flow of that particular liquid, how we can, राईट ते ग्लास लाईट घ्या त्याच्यामध्ये मिक्सर टाका राईट एक किंवा दोन ड्रॉप मिक्सर टाका आणि जे ग्लास लाईट आहे ते व्हर्टिकली तुम्ही प्लेस करा. व्हर्टिकली प्लेस केल्यानंतर इमिजिएटली काय होईल ते लिक्विड फ्लो होईल त्या ग्लास लाईट वर आणि तुम्ही वी कॅन मेजर द टाइम so how much time required for the flow of the material. So this is called as a flow, the flow under the own weight. You can drain off the vertical surface. So rate of homogenization is required the very high. Rapid homogenization must be required to mixing the purpose. So these are about the two materials are there. Thick in nature, you can add the liquid into that solid, right? In appropriate amount must be necessary for the highest mixing. Then semi-solid mixing. So what is semi-solid mixing? Mixing of the liquid with the semi-solid. Can you use a semi-solid base? Semi-solid base मध्ये we can add a liquid. So this mixing it is called as a liquid with semi-solid. Then mixing of solid with semi-solid. Understand it? We take an example of that. This semi-solid. Can add some of the liquid into that the base, right? It is called as this mixing is called as liquid into semi-solid. If I add some of the solid material into that semi-solid, it is called as solid with semi-solid. All right. So this semi-solid mixing is all dispersion of the liquid or solid material into semi-solid base. So liquid add करा, solid add करा, base मध्ये ठीक है. So this is called as semi-solid mixing. Understand it? So then semi-solid mixing is a somewhat that is a neutral type of the mixing is there. So एकदा तुम्ही mixture solid तुम्ही semi-solid mix केल्यानंतर it cannot be separate easily. So that type of mixture is we have seen last time there is a positive mixture, neutral mixture, and negative mixtures. Right? So positive mixture is the solution, negative mixture is the emulsion. Right? Because the emulsion have the two immiscible liquid, it have the charges are different. Then neutral mixture means there is a ointment. So if you add the swallowing material into that the base, right, it cannot be easily can be separate out. Right? Then the miscible liquid into the soluble solids. So it's required. So if there is a miscible liquid means we can take a water, and the soluble solid you can take a there is a sodium chloride. So with these two substances, we can easily mix with very low force and a very short time. So within a short time to form a solution. Current solid है the can solubilize solid, soluble solid है, and miscible liquid है the water है. You can easily mix with solid into that liquid with a very low amount of the force is required. Very little mixing is must be required, and it can mixture is formed within a short time. But it is opposite to that if there is so the immiscible liquids are there. So you take case of the emulsion. Emulsion have the two immiscible liquids are there. So those have the oil and water. Those are that is called as a immiscible. So the oil is it cannot be miscible. It cannot be mixed into the water, right? So that type of the immiscible liquid, if you want to mix it properly with addition of the emulsifying agent into that to prepare the stable emulsion, right? So this required for highest force required and it required the largest time for preparation of the emulsion as compared with the solution. So for the solution it required the very low force as well as low sharing, right? But can prepare with the within a short period. But in emulsion, right, is required the highest stirring force. It required the highest stirring is required for that. And then it's required the time to prepare that solution again. Then next example is insoluble solids. The insoluble solids means that is a those substances which are not be solubilized in a liquid, which are remains as is into the liquid. That's if you want to mixing should be proper. Though it also require the highest pressure, is the highest sharing force, and require the time for preparation of the suspension. So the suspension is the biphasic dosage form containing the insoluble solids into the liquid with the addition of the suspending agents to prepare the stable suspension. So suspending agents are these are called as a wetting agents are there. Understand it? So wetting agents are there. So the wetting agent means that is a try to wet that substances with the liquid. समजा सॉलिड सबस्टन्स वेटच होत नसेल किंवा ते ओलच होत नसेल तर तुम्ही डिझॉल्व्ह होणार नाही बरोबर. So can improve that wettability of that insoluble substances. So can increase that the stability. Right. So such this is called as a semi-solid mixing is one of this. Then we can use a different types of the mixers. We can use for the semi-solid. The ribbon type of the mixer or a triple roller mixers are there. Planetary mixers are there. Volatile mills are there. So we'll see. I forgot there. Then semi-solid mixing. So semi-solid mixing is mixing of insoluble powder into the liquid. Understand it? Insoluble powder means that take example of the one that is a sulfur ointment. The sulfur powder we can incorporate into that the solid base, oleaginous base, and to prepare that ointment. So this is called as semi-solid mixing, right? Then, so this is very important for if you prepare the any semi-solid formulation. So how much liquid should be added? Understand it? So it's very important that is how much liquid should be added. Whether it we can require the highest amount, whether it require the lowest amount. So optimum liquid should be added to prepare the semi-solid formulation. All right. So we take example for that. There is a powder state in nature or the pellet is formed. So the addition of the small amount of the liquid or some of the liquid into the bulk powder. From the small quantity to me liquid to me bulk powder मध्ये add केलं तर काय होईल? Very small amount, right? So it's just you can moisten that the every particle and to form a ball. Solid ball tire will, right? And with that ball we can prepare that small pellets. Decided. So this is if you add the small amount of the water into the solid substance, right? Solid substance we can just prepare the ball, right? But that ball will not be having the strength. We just try killer the mix killer try killer to mean just pressurize of that ball, we can break up that ball, right? Because they're not having the strength of that ball. So this pellet is formed, right? This pellet is formed, but if this pellets are, if you have tried to mixing with the solid substance and each prepare prepare that Cushing effect of that. They काय pellet तयार झाले, small puddle तयार झाले. The small plate तुम्ही परत ते powder mixture मध्ये mix करा, right? आणि त्याचे ball तयार करू शकता. हे जे ball आहे, is give that Cushing effect. जे वरचं जे surface असेल, तो powder असेल आणि खालचा जो pellet असेल, so we can give the Cushing effect of that particular pellet. So it's difficult to break up that the pellets are there, right? So this is about the if you are adding the addition of the small amount of the liquid into that the powder material, it's from the solid ball, but not having the strength of that ball, you can break that ball and prepare that is a small amount of the pellet is formed. So this is about so how much liquid should be added. It is very important in that if you have prepared that semi-solid. Then fill step. Then we can add again there is a larger amount of the liquid. जे काय पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही small amount केलंय, just you can add. तर समजा की पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही 5 ml केलंय, you can just add the 10 ml. Okay. So further addition of the liquid into that, so conversion of the more dry powder to the pellet. Right. So just moisten well and the moisten झालेलं, you can prepare that a coarse granular like appearance. Granules तयार झाल्यासारखे असे वाटेल तुम्हाला, right? जर तुम्ही जास्त liquid add केलं तर. But do not have the cohesive property. जी काही property आहे, कारण जास्त liquid आलं तर cohesive property वाढेल, कमी liquid असेल तर cohesive property नसेल. Right. So if you add the liquid into that the powder material, it's from the coarse granular right appearance. And but that pellets are not have the cohesive nature. Right. So agitation केल्यानंतर तुम्ही just mix केल्यानंतर काय होईल, जे काही तुम्ही balls बनवलेत किंवा pellets तयार केलेत, you can break down that balls and prepare that small granules. So larger granules you can create the smaller granules after this agitation or the mixing, right? Because you do not have any cohesive nature, because you can just little amount of the liquid if you have to add it, right? Then next we can add some of the liquid is more. This is maybe 20% also. Is the last is the 20% we can add the more liquid than previously. The mixture is changes markedly. So this aggregate is formed. The material is added to that each other. So granular appearance is lost. Right. समजा की जास्त तुम्ही liquid add केलं तर जे granule size है, right? It cannot be granules. Granule size cannot be created. Right. So it's become less homogeneous and the clay-like structure. It's from the clay. Right. So चपाती करत असताना तुम्ही किती liquid add करणं is very important आहे. Right. So जास्त liquid add केलं काय होईल? It's from a chapati base. Right. Or it is like the clay. Understand it? So if you add the more liquid into that, so this particular is not the granular form, is a clay-like, is any structure or any shape of that clay, right? So you can add it to the another surface again. Is then this is also one of the case. Then plastic property which are the difficult to sharing and the flowing at the stress, right? So the material have the plastic state. The plastic state means having that the difficult to break down with the little sharing. Little sharing, little mixing केला तर ते plastic material है break down होणार नाही and mix बरोबर होणार नाही. So is required the highest share, is required the highest mixer sharing must be required for break down that plastic property. Right. As you know the plastic property. Right. So is not be easily break down. But तुम्ही जास्त pressure लावलं तर it can break down. Understand it? So that property it is called as plastic property. Means if I increase more little more liquid into that, it's the state of that liquid is maybe like plastic like or clay like, and they can difficult to sharing with the little trace. Right? It's required the high stress for that. And if you apply the high stress, it may chances is the breakdown of that particular structure of the plastic material. Right. Then the sticky state is one of this. So if you add more liquid again, you can continue the incorporation of the liquid that causes the mixture is make them sticky nature. म्हणजे लिक्विड तुम्ही जास्त ऍड केलंय पावडर मध्ये तर जे मटेरियल जे तयार होईल ते स्टिकी तयार होईल. Understand it? So it's a similar to the paste like. Paste like we have seen the paste like, that is food paste like. The surface is very shiny and the material added to the solid surface. Right. So masses flow very easily, even the low traces. So the liquid add केल्यामुळे काय होईल? It can easily flow. With a little stress or the little sharing, if you apply it, you can easily flow from that because it is a liquid, the more liquid is there. Right. So then this is about the sticky. So this material is very sticky in nature. Then next is the liquid state. समजा याच्यापेक्षा तुम्ही जास्त लिक्विड ऍड केलाय, राईट? समजा की 50% 60% लिक्विड ऍड केलं तर काय होईल? Total mixture is liquid in nature, right? So can decrease consistency until the few studies there. So decrease consistency means the consistency the original product like they can decrease consistency if you add more liquid into that the solid substance. Understand it? So then in this state liquid flow with the own weights and drain up. We have seen. So say if the such liquid if you have take the on a glass slide, पहिल्यांदा बघितलं आपण आणि ग्लास स्लाइड वर गेल्यानंतर the glass slide तुम्ही vertically place करा. Vertically place केल्यानंतर it can flow that particular drop on that glass slide. So how much time required for the flow? You can just determine this. So drain off the vertical surface. So these are the different aspects of that. The how much liquid into liquid to add into the mixture is very important aspects for that. Then there's a mixing of semi-solid. You can prepare the different dosage form, maybe ornaments, the creams, pills, the different weight masses. You can prepare that. The quantity is the semi-solid. The quantity is very large. That's why we require some of the mixers, which is a large scale of the mixers required for mixing that the particular mixture, particular material, right? If the quantity is very larger, if the quantity is very larger, so if the quantity is very less, we can use that the mortar and pestle in a laboratory, right? If the quantity is more, you require the different types of mixers. This may be triple roller mill, right? So these are triple roller mill. or agitator type of the mixers, the planetary type of the mixers we can use for the same purpose also. So this is about the mixing of semi-solid. So next part we'll see next time is the liquid. Okay. Can you hear me? Hello. आवाज येतोय?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then we have the next lecture now. So we stop here today. Okay. So we can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.